Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm going to share with you my Scentsy Club for March 2022. I'm so excited because I've been really needing some of these bars. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy all of my videos, please consider subscribing. I'd love to be friends. Follow me everywhere. All right, let's get into it. Guys, so let's go over my Scentsy Club. First off, what is Scentsy Club? Okay, it's a free subscription that you control and you earn perks, right? There's a ton of perks. So it is a subscription that you can set up with the consumable products that you want, like wax, light bulbs, cleaning supplies, laundry, all of that jazz, right? And so you can put in, let's say you want one counter clean a month or whatever. You can get it monthly, every other month, or every 3 months, and you control it, okay? Very cool. One of my favorite perks is always get my bar. Now, always get my bar is amazing because when we get collections or bring back my bar or when the catalog changes, you can put these scents that are going away in your Scentsy Club, and Scentsy will make them for you no matter what, as long as you continue to pay every month or every other month or every 3 months, whatever you want. So even if you're the only one that wants it, they will make it for you, which is amazing because we all have different noses. We all have different favorites. Another great perk is once you spend $30 in your Scentsy Club, you get 10% off. Once you spend $60, you get a half off item. This is a great time to grab a whiff box, right? And now they have this new referral code thing that's fantastic. So for every dollar that you spend, you get 1 point, okay? But if you refer a friend, if you send them your referral code and they purchase Scentsy Club, every time their Scentsy runs for their club, you get 2 points for every $1 that they spent. And you can use these points for discounts on your Scentsy Club and on catalog items. So it's kind of fantastic, all right? That's just for customers. Consultants, we don't get that. But I am excited to show you what I got. All right, so first things first, I always get my cotton cleanups. I'm obsessed with cotton cleanups. If you do not have these in your club, you are missing out because they sell out all the time. But when you have them in your club, you're the first people to get them, okay? So I definitely recommend cotton cleanups in your Scentsy Club. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go through is I have 5 bars. Yes, 5 bars. Do not judge me. Do not judge me. Of toasted marshmallow. I love toasted marshmallow. It's one of my favorite scents. And this scent I like to use in my living room. And I mean, I guess this is kind of gross. That is, I have a litter robot, for kitty litter. It's the robot. It's like, I would say it's overpriced, but it saves me scooping, so it's amazing. But it's in our living room. The cats pretty much love to sit in the living room. We have 4 cats. And although it scoops out the dirty litter, there's still a smell, you know? And for some reason, toasted marshmallow just knocks it out of the park. You can't even smell the kitty litter. People walk in, they have no idea that I have cats, and I got 4 of them. I got like a whole herd of them. So, toasted marshmallow. I got 5 bars of that, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so that's for the living room. Another one, and this brings up another situation here, is this was in a Bring Back My Bar. It's cherry almond pie, and I love it in the living room. Love, love, love. And the problem is I only put 2 bars in my Scentsy Club, and once They are no longer available. You cannot go up in quantity. You can only go down. I wish I had grabbed 4 of these for the month because I love this scent so much. But no, I can go down to 1, which I will never do. But I'm glad I got my 2. I wish I would have gotten 3 or 4. All right, the next scent I got was part of our last Bring Back My Bar as well. Our last one was fire, man. Let me tell you, we had a ton of great bars, and I put them all in my Scentsy Club. But this one is Pink Haze. I love this one. Pink Haze. I use this in my bedroom. Another bedroom scent that I grabbed. And these are like now my staples is sugar. I grabbed 2 bars of sugar. This was also in the Bring Back My Bar. I absolutely love this scent. Oh my gosh, so good. I also put this in my club, even though it's still available, I believe. It's part of the All's Well collection. It was the bakery one that they had, and it was R for Relax. I love this scent. I really do. As a matter of fact, I got to change my Scentsy today, and I think I'm going to go with this scent. I think I am. All right. The next scent is one that was also from a collection. It's the Chasing Z's collection, and this one is Shut Eye. I love Shut Eye. It's such a great scent. I put this in my bedroom. Love, love, love. Really good scent. Wow. Every time I smell it, I'm like, wow, 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 wow. I'm glad I put that in my club. Then, and these are for my my bedroom as well, but I also put these, I put these all over. And it's Love. It's part of the Valentine's Day collection. Still available. You guys need a bar of this. It is so good. There's a 3-pack, and there's 2 other scents that I do enjoy, but the It's Love is my favorite. I've also they had the hand cream, and I bought a ton of it for myself because once it's gone, it's gone. Oh my gosh, so good. So I bought 4 bars of It's Love. 4. Okay, the next one I bought was part of the same Bring Back My Bar, and it's Toffee Butter Crunch. I love this scent. Now, I'm actually hoarding this for fall because toffee to me is very fall inspired. So, but I am hoarding it because I love it. The next scent that I grabbed was Coconut Cotton, and I love this scent. This is my bathroom scent. I got 2 bars of it, and this is the only thing I use in my bathroom. I love this scent. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. So that goes directly just in my drawer in there. So I got 2 of those. And then, like I said, once you spend $60, you get a half-price item. And I chose the Sunkissed Citrus Counter Clean because I love Counter Clean. I use it not only throughout the whole house, but then I also use it in my work truck. And because every day we get a different truck and we have to clean it, and they're nasty. I work on the docks. They're just gross. So I clean my truck, and people walk by and they're like, what is that smell? And I'm like, oh, it's my Scentsy Counter Clean. So it always smells amazing, and it cleans great. So I love it. So I got Sunkissed Citrus. So that is my Scentsy Club for March 2022. And let me know if any of these bars are your favorite, and let me know what's in your Scentsy Club. Like, what is your favorite scent and what room you use it in? Let me know. I'm interested. All right, guys. Again, please like, subscribe. Let's be friends. Follow me everywhere. And I will talk to you later. Bye.